It's a big problem. Why every time I do a design on Figma and I hand it off to the developers, I could see a big difference between the Figma design and the outcome from the developers as a front end. And imagine if we have one product and this product have three platforms like web version, iOS app, Android app, we can find some inconsistency between these platforms. We have some issues for our brand colors, typography, spacing, and so on. You can see a big difference, and absolutely this will affect the end user experience. Plus, from company's perspective, you can see the team taking a long time to finish the project, and we publish and we go to the market. And usually they do a repetitive tasks with a low value. If you are facing these problems in your team or in your company, this course for you. In this course, we will deep dive in details about the design tokens and how we can make the process from designers to the developers to be automatic as much as we can. We can reduce the manual tasks and repetitive tasks, and we can make the team focus on the high value tasks. We will learn what is the relationship between design tokens and design system, what is the difference between variables and design tokens, what is the design tokens process and what is the design tokens tools, how we can convert our variables and tokens to code, what is the meaning of one source of truth. We will deep dive also in the tokens level and how I can name the tokens. What is the best way to name the tokens with some examples from big companies, how actually they structure the tokens in their projects. At the end of this project, you will be familiar with design tokens concept and you will learn how you set a strategy for your team to start to implement the design tokens. Not only this, I will also share with you the challenges you're gonna face once you start to implement the design tokens. I will share with you all my experience while I'm building a multi-theme design tokens, how we set a plan for our design system to be scalable and flexible. I hope this course will help you to upgrade your skills and to be familiar with everything related to the design tokens. At the end of this course, there is an assessment. Please do it and share it with me. I will review the task and I will share with you my feedback, and I will share with you your certificate if you did this task well. That's it for today. See you again.